Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Eukaryotic cells run the Krebs cycle to generate energy, but do you know exactly where this happens? Let's solve this biology question together right now. In eukaryotic cells, the Krebs cycle is a central metabolic pathway that occurs specifically within the mitochondrial matrix. This is where the necessary enzymes and substrates are all concentrated together. This pathway involves a series of redox reactions that oxidize acetyl groups to carbon dioxide. Remember that pyruvate must enter the mitochondria from the cytosol before the cycle can actually begin. Option A is incorrect because metabolic reactions require enzymes. Therefore, the correct description of the Krebs cycle location is in option C. You got this? Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and trust given facts to find the right mitochondrial location every time.